welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos for fashion, travel, lifestyle, yeah, and a lot more. And in this video today I will tell you how to get a perfect summer dewy makeup base. I get a lot of DMs about my makeup base, like my bases look flawless all the time. तो guys समझ में क्या होता है, अगर हम पाउडर लगा लेते हैं हमारा फेस ड्राई लगने लग जाता है, अगर हम पाउडर नहीं लगाते तो हमारा मेकअप बेस ट्रांसफर हो जाता है, लाइक अगर हम किसी को मिल रहे हैं और इधर उधर हमारा मेकअप लगता रहता है. बट दिस लुक राइट हियर is transfer proof and it will not budge and it's glowy. And if you want to know how I created this very dewy and transfer proof makeup look which is perfect for summers, not really makeup look, only the base makeup I'm gonna show you in this video. So if you want to know how to get this perfect base for summers, let's get started. Okay guys, before putting on your makeup, the first thing which you should not forget anytime, any day is to clean your face. So I have used a face wash today, but you can also use a makeup remover and just clean your face by taking some on the cotton pad and just applying it all over your face, and you will see there will be a lot of gunk which will go out already before you start putting on your makeup. After we're done cleaning the face, the first step you should do is hydrate your face, because in summers we want a nice glowy dewy look, and for that we need the glow to come from within, and for that you have to drink a lot of water and hydrate your skin well. So I have been drinking a lot of water, that's why my skin is already glowing, I feel. So this is the moisturizer which I'll be using today. This is the Lakme Hydra Pro Gel Cream, and as you can see this is almost about to end, and I have been loving this light moisturizer. This is so light and it's like a gel texture, and my nails match the bottle of this. That's amazing. So we'll hydrate our skin really well. Just apply it all over your face. Once we're done with the moisturizer, the next step which I have been recently doing, by recently I mean like 1 or 2 months, I've been using the Dermaco Squalene Serum. This is such a good moisturizing serum, and this is like this has like squalene and 100% olive derived squalene, and this is recommended to use day and night, and I have been using it, and I know whenever I apply this my just base looks so flawless, so amazing and so glowy basically now, and that's like the best part. And since the day I started using it, there's no going back. So do not forget to use the squalene serum. So you just apply a little on our face. I've taken like half a pump and I will apply it all over my face. Okay you guys, so as it's a summer makeup tutorial, so we need sunscreen. Do not forget your sunscreen. Sunscreen is the best friend. In summer, if you forget sunscreen, sun will forget that you have a nice skin. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use the Bioderma Photoderm 50 SPF Max Plus, and this is a good sunscreen. I've been trying this since quite some time. I've just used like 1 drop and I will just apply it all over my face. This leaves a white cast in the start, but then it just absorbs in like a minute or so. And now you must be thinking like sunscreen lagali, now we'll go directly with the foundation, but there are 2 more steps which are left, which is a illuminating moisturizer and a primer. So these are 2 of my favorite products. This is the Sugar Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Gold Digging, and then I would have gone with the Lakme Absolute Gel Primer. These both are like very good products, but I've ordered a new product which is the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. So this is a primer, and this also has a little bit of shimmer and glitter kind of it, and I've used it once and I have loved the results, so I thought let me show it to you. This is how the packaging looks like, and oh my god, the bottle looks so luxurious. It's so affordable, but the product is really good. So yeah. This comes in a pump format, and I'm gonna take a pump and maybe 2 and just apply it all over my face. This has like very little bit of glitter, but it's not chunky, but it has a little bit of glitter which will make my face shine. This is a primer and this also has like a highlighter. Otherwise I would have used 2 products, but abhi yahan pe mera ek mein hi kaam badhiya ho jayega. So I'm gonna use this. As you can see, my face is like glowing so much. It feels like I have a highlighter on, but guys, this is all in front of you. Now we will go with the concealer and the foundation. As it's a summer look, I don't really want it to be like a very heavy base. We want a dewy glow, so we will be using medium coverage products and not like full coverage products because we are going for a dewy look. So the concealer I'm going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me 20 in the shade 25, and this is like second or third tube, and this is that good. It's a really nice light coverage, not really light coverage but light in texture kind of concealer, and it is great. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this. Apply your concealer on all the places you feel that you have a little bit of darkness or there is discoloration, because like under my eyes it's dark, and around my mouth also it's a little bit dark, and my nose and my forehead I have applied concealer to make them even brighter. So that's that. Also guys, one more important tip: use always a beauty blender, and never use a beauty blender dry. Like, using a dry beauty blender is a crime in makeup. Let me tell you how you have to damn the beauty blender is: go near the tap, start the tap, and put your beauty blender like this and just squeeze it 2 or 3 times. It will itself gather a lot of moisture, how much it needs, and then just squeeze the excess, and then you can apply it on your face. It's that easy, and it's very, very, very important. Never use a beauty blender dry. Just mark my words, never use a beauty blender dry. Okay guys, so my now concealer is done. My face looks very even, and now we'll go with the medium coverage foundation. And medium coverage foundations mein mera favorite foundation hai Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade 220, and I'll just take one pump on the back of my hand and then just apply it, like spread it all over my face, and that will be it. We are not using a lot of foundation. We are not using a high coverage foundation because the look we are going for is like glowy and dewy. Also, I want to mention one thing: if you use a dry beauty blender, not only it will soak all the product, it won't even blend your makeup really nicely. What it will do is it will just soak up all the product and leave like very harsh lines on your face, like harsh patchiness. So make sure you always damp your beauty blender. Take your time with blending because this is the most important step for a nice base. Do not forget your neck and your ears because वो अगर किसी और कलर के होंगे तो बहुत अजीब लगेंगे. And do not forget your hairline as well. Now we're done with the foundation, and there's one more very, very, very important step which you should not miss at any cost, which is to set your face. Because वैसे तो सर्दियों में भी ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, but in summers when your facial skin sweats, all the sweat comes on your face and then it just melts your makeup. And to avoid that, what we do is we set our face. So the powder I'm going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me 25 shade medium shade, and my powder is about to end, I know you guys. And oh, I have a lot of powder, oh my god. So I'm going to take my powder on a nice fluffy brush and just set my face, mainly under my eyes. You need a lot of powder near your eyes because यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा crease होता है. And once you're done with that, just take a little bit of powder and just swirl it all over your face. If you will not moisturize your face well and you will go with the powder, what it will do is it will just make your face look very matte, and then there will be no glow, no dewiness. So make sure you hydrate your skin super well and then go with the foundation, and then, you know, set it with powder. And this is how my base looks right now. It looks very good, I feel. And there's one more step which you don't want to forget, which is setting your face with a setting spray. You can use any face mist, or you can also use a makeup setting spray. I'm going to use a makeup setting spray. This is by Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Natural, and this has aloe vera vitamin E. Yay! So I'm gonna take a little shot in this. And guys, with that we complete the base right here, and now I'll quickly go complete my full makeup look and be back in a minute. So guys, my makeup is finally complete. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys how I did my base today. If you want any videos on any specific topics like how to do your eyelashes, how to do a specific eyeshadow, how to get, you know, do your blush, contour, everything. So if you want to do anything in specific, let me know in the comments. I would love to make that for you guys, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon. I upload videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, so see you guys super soon. Bye.